Welcome back to another video here on the second channel. We are on my website, xisumatwo.com/vanilla-tweaks. That's where you'll find these data packs. As you can see, there are a lot of them on the screen. If you're wondering what these other ones are, I've posted these videos on this channel in the past, so you can find them on the channel's video page. It's been a while since we last posted one, and this one is an update to the custom Armour stand, so you can download it here from the top of the list. It's been updated from 1.0 to 2.3. Let's jump into a Minecraft world and check this out. So the first thing to mention is that this is backwards compatible. If you have a 1.0 book, you can still use it with the 2.3 data pack, although when you put in one data pack, make sure you take out the other one when installing this on a server. Now, to get the book, the command is identical to what it was before. You'll find the command in the description box down below. It is in this command block right here as well. So somewhere in your world, what you should have set up is like a command block that you can't reach, but you can activate with redstone. So that allows the nearest player to have a function run, even though if they are not an OP, and that function is xisumatwo enable. So if we go, well, I've already got the book, but function as, go down to, and it's actually right there, bam, and it gives me the book. So now I've got two of the same book. Brilliant. Right, so in the book there are tooltips on each of the pages. This is one of the new features. It gives you more information about what's going on. Some of the pages are the same, some of them have been updated. There's all sorts of new features. We're just going to go through the pages of the book one by one, and I'll point out the things that have changed. So I think everything here on the first page is actually the same. On the second page, you're going to see these numbers are different, 8, 3, and 1. This is due to pixel alignment in the world. So when you're rotating and moving things around, etc., it's now easier to do tricks like line it up with pixels in the world, which is not something that I have tried to do myself, but I totally understand what it's about. Now, down here when you're doing rotation, rather than picking the amount and what direction, now you pick the amount like this, and then you go back into the book, and when you rotate that way, it will be set to 5. If I click there, when we rotate that way, it will now be set to 45. I believe there are some instructions there telling you about it as well. We also got this towards and away thing as well. So if I go throw down a armor stand and then take a step back, and let's say we want this thing to actually just face towards us, we're going to go into that position, we're going to click on towards, and knowing me, I'm probably a few too many blocks away, right? Let's try that again. There you go, it turns towards us. Now I'm going to stand here, and we're going to go with away, and it turns away from us. So that's very useful. Back into the book, onto the next page, page number 4. There are two new poses. It tells you what they are for down here. The block and item presets are designed to hold blocks and items in line with the world grid. Let's give this guy a block to hold. I think we've got to enable its arms first of all, right? Show arms, yes. Then have a block. Then we go back into the book and we select block, and you'll see that this thing has been sort of lined up flat with the ground. Awesome. So going back over here, all of these other poses I believe are identical to what they were before. This page remains the same as well, and then we have a page here that has some of the old features and some new ones as well. So we've got the ability to mirror the arms from the left side to the right, from the right side to the left. So if your pose has something here you want to change, let's say we want the left arm, if we look at it from this side, to be the same as the right. Now I'll probably somehow manage to mess this up, but I think left to right. So we mirror the arms, yes, there we go, and now it's identical on either side. There is also a flip option as well. So if I go pick a pose that's obviously got two different arms, if we go into here and click flip, you're going to see those arms cross over. So that's totally awesome. I think that does the legs as well. Yeah, the legs just changed. Okay, so we've also got a copy and paste utility here. If we use that quickly to copy, we will copy this pose and it highlights it for us. We can put down another armor stand, stand next to it, and then we can paste that same pose. And obviously that is going to be amazing for lining up a bunch of armor stands and doing something cool if you've got a load of them in a row, or maybe whatever, you know, you can see the use of that. I don't really need to explain it. Also, another thing to mention, when you now lock an armor stand, it's going to disable interaction with equipment slots. So one of the common problems, like on Hermitcraft with Doc's Bush, is that you put down all these armor stands, you lock them, and you can actually still interact with the item slot and put things in and take them out. We could actually demonstrate that right now, couldn't we? So let's lock this. Let's get a slot free in my hand. Right click on it again. As you can see, it has now been disabled, so we can no longer take that item out, or any of the other items. And so that's it, I believe. And last of all, there are credits. So we have the one whose name I will not attempt to pronounce, mSpaceDev, and Muki Tankuki. Jeez, I've probably butchered that one as well. Have all contributed to the creation of this wonderful pack, which is now available for you. It will be put onto the Hermitcraft server real soon. And that's it from me this video. As I said, the command over here will be in the description box down below. So thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.